Windows wide.
Oh, I forgot we had this. This is also up for sale. A very original Honda 150 Dream. Quite nice shape. There's no holes in the exhaust. It's all pretty rust free. Wheels are nice. This has been sitting for some time. We've had it in the back of the garage for ages. Front mudguard could do with repainting. Showing only 2,200 miles. Yeah, a little, I think it's a 66, 67 Honda 150 Dream. So we can stick this in one of the packages, or you can buy it separately.
And you cry to see a shadow, babe. It's growing long across the lawn. Another song.
We have a custom framed TL125 from back in the day. It's got all the body work on it. Just needs obviously repainting. But yeah, this is all custom alley frame. Supposed to have been a Sammy Miller replica. I know Sammy Miller's from England, but it's had sitting for some time. We did have this running probably 20 years ago. We used to ride it around the ranch here, but it's been sitting ever since. Got plenty of compression still. Kicks over. Custom alley framed TL125 Honda. I believe this was a works bike back in the day. We've had this for years. We did used to ride it around the ranch here, but it has been sitting for some time. All the fiberglass bodies, all in. Needs a good old repaint, recover the seat, a couple of mud guards on it, freshen up that motor.